there everyone, Ria from Maisie Moo. I am jumping on quickly today to show you how easy it is to put together this new purse, and I thought it was perfect for Valentine's Day, which I know some of you are preparing for. Now I'm going to give you two options with this. It's a little purse with the heart handle at the top. Okay, and it's put together using rivets. So this is a one-piece template. It all cuts out in one piece. You have the holes on the side, you insert your rivets, and that's your wee bag. So I thought it would be cute, filled with some Valentine's sweets or candy, and I also thought it would be good if I preempted the directional print questions that I always get with my designs by coming up with a two-piece as well. So if you've got directional like I've got here, then let's see if this works, because you can see I haven't even taken it off my mat, but hopefully this will resolve the issue of having directional print. So let's have a look. Now what I've done here is I have cut my chunky glitter. I thought I'd show you how I do this. I cut it face up. I know some people cut it face down, but I cut it face up, and I've used my rotary blade. Now I'm sorry about the lighting today. It's thunderstorms here. It's really, really wet, and it's really muggy as well. Because as you know, or you may not know, I am at the bottom of the world, and it's summertime at the moment. Okay, so let's see if this is worked. Okay, here we are. So I use the rotary blade to cut my pieces out. Might need some scissors. Tiny little scissors to cut. There we go. That's it. Okay, and what's kind of cool with this is you get these heart shapes cut out as well. So we might do something with those, might make a bag charm or something like that. So you can see on the whole this is cut quite well. I actually ran this through twice because this is really thick, chunky glitter. But there we go, so that's that side. Let's cut a little bit cleaner. So we'll take all of our tape off. Right, so you can see I've got two pieces here. And all I'm going to simply do is we're going to match them up like that. And we're going to glue, and then we're also going to put rivets in there. Now let's poke these holes out. You can see they've all cut through. They just have to be poked out. Okay, so the holes, you can see they've all cut through. Some of them, because of the fluff, you can't see, but they have all cut through. I've checked them all. Now I'm going to use rivets, and I have this set, which I think I'm going to have to get some more because I'm almost out. And I'm using the largest ones because this is obviously going to be quite thick when you layer it up. Now what you want to do is you want to insert, so we're going to be folding this here and this here, and the idea is it's going to be sitting inside like that. So first of all I'm going to pop a rivet in, because this is going to help me line everything up. Now the wonderful thing with rivets is when you put them together, you just snap them together and they hold everything in place. Okay, so we'll do in this corner here. Okay, so I put the two rivets in so that we know that it's all lined up before I add any glue. Now I'm going to use hot glue, and I'm going to use a bit of super glue. Okay, so we've added glue, and I've still got 2 rivets attached. We're going to put the next 2 through. Okay, so we've done that. Now what you can do is, at this stage it's going to be much easier attaching these, so we're just going to quickly go around and hammer those on. Right, so you've attached your rivets on the bottom, so we want to flip over now. So now we've flipped it over and we're going to bring the 2 sides together. So what I like to do is lay it down, push that through. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, like that. And then what you want to do is bring over this side here. This is the one that's underneath, and insert that through those holes. 1, 2, and lastly this side. Okay, so we've got the 2 bottom ones on there, you can see that. So you can see it's starting to take shape, and you've got 1 more rivet to go, and that just goes through the top 2 layers. Okay, so we've put everything on, and now I'm going to go around, and all these overlapping parts, I'm just going to add a little bit of glue, because I just think it just helps hold everything together and makes it feel smooth, but you don't need to. It all feels quite firm, and I'm happy with that. I hope that kind of makes sense, what we've done there, how that's come together. Okay, so there we go. These the little yet to be named Valentine heart handle bags. I do hope you enjoy those. Now you're also going to see that you've got these little leftover kind of bits, and I think maybe we could make some just wee charms or something with that, but I'll have a look at that and I can pop it on the instructions. Okay, thanks for watching, bye.